All right, let's check out this ad from Mirabile M.D. Beauty, Health, and Wellness. It says, experience the gentle power of clear and brilliant, the treatment that refreshes your skin from within. This treatment delivers natural looking radiance with minimal downtime. Your skin deserves a sophisticated approach to renewal. We got a typo right there. Treatment is spelled wrong. Let's break this down. So, this ad has the right ingredients, but it's playing it too safe. Gentle power refreshes your skin from within. Sophisticated approach, right? It all sounds nice, but doesn't hit where it matters. Emotion, urgency, and clarity. The 289 price drop from 340 is buried, right? Is in the image here, and it feels more like a quiet announcement, not a scroll stopper. There's no local hook, no call to action built for social, and no reason to act now. The biggest problem is it reads like a spa brochure, not a booked out ad. We're going to take this solid offer and wrap it in copy that sells the glow, not just describes the treatment. So we're going to use our $97 ad rewrite playbook designed to turn passive promos into booked out DMs. We'll go ahead and take a screenshot of this ad here and bring it into my document so I have it. All right, there it is. Let's make this a little smaller here. So we're just going to focus on the copy, and I'm going to give you two headlines to go along with it. All right. So the first line, we're going to tap into location and seasonal urgency for instant relevance. So we're going to say, hey, Overland Park, want radiant skin before fall hits, clear and brilliant. Now 289 was 340. So direct price drop framed as a win, not fluff. It's like a magic eraser for dullness, fine lines, and sun damage. We add a metaphor to instantly clarify what it does. Get the glow that turns heads, no downtime, no drama. All right, so we added in benefit plus lifestyle vibe. This equals share worthy. Loved by celebs, dermatologists, and your skin's future self. We added in credibility with playful social proof, only offered this month, and spots are filling fast. So we added some time frame plus scarcity. What do you call it? Gentle, non-invasive, and safe for all skin tones. We're easing objections for first timers, and then we'll say glow up for fall photos, events, or just because you deserve it. We're making this personal, right? Tie it to a moment. And then we're going to add in a soft call to action disguised as a promise. So never tried it. You're going to love your reflection. We're going to add in a scroll native call to action, which feels fun but not salesy. So comment brilliant, and we'll DM you the booking link. All right, so that's our copy. Let's add in our two headlines. First one's going to be clear, clear and brilliant. 289 deal, and then fall glow up starts now. All right, so let's read our copy here. So, hey, Overland Park, want radiant skin before fall hits, clear and brilliant, now 289, was 340. It's like a magic eraser for dullness, fine lines, and sun damage. Get the flow that turns heads. No downtime, no drama. Loved by celebs, dermatologists, and your skin's future self. Only offered this month, and spots are filling fast. gentle, non-invasive, and safe for all skin tones. Glow up for fall photos, events, or just because you deserve it. Never tried it? You're going to love your reflection. Comment brilliant and we'll DM you the booking link. And the headlines are a clear and brilliant $289 deal. And then we got fall glow up starts now. All right, so this rewrite takes a soft-spoken promo and rebuilds it with a hyper-local seasonal hook, tangible, emotional, plus lifestyle benefits, scarcity and curiosity woven throughout, a native call to action that drives DMs. It's no longer gentle and sophisticated, it's scroll-stopping and booked solid. This is exactly what we do in our $97 ad rewrite. We take what you're already running and make it actually book clients. Want your ad rewritten like this one? Grab the $97 ad rewrite. The link is in the bio above or in the description below.